Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So this is Prince here. Once again, I'm going to touch upon the topic, the strategy which I taught you yesterday. In the sense, I had shown you that this strategy we can do it in equity, we can do it in futures, and then we can do it in options. And many are already following it, and many are doing it in equity. In case if you have not yet seen the strategy, it is nothing but I'm talking about this particular strategy, Bajaj Finance equity features and options trading strategy, just uploaded yesterday. So if you have not yet watched that video, just go through that video. So what I'm trying to do today is going to be a follow-up video where I'm going to stress upon the importance of using options. So I'm encouraging many of them to start doing options, start trading in options. So I'll be showing you what are the advantages of doing in options. Why is it I'm forcing you to do an option? I'll also show you that with by doing options you'll be getting more profits. Okay, all those things I'll explain, don't worry. The reason because many people are new to options and they don't know the advantages of options. They still continue in equity. Many think that options need huge capital, or some people think options are very risky, or many etc kind of excuses. Okay, so this video I'm dedicating for doing our Bajaj Finance trading strategy in options. If at all you're not watched till now, you can just go through. And people those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button. And also I have provided the Telegram channel, link of the Telegram group as well. So in case if you're not yet joined the Telegram group, you can join. You'll be getting regular updates, learnings, and many things to go ahead in order to make you perfect in stock market trading. Yeah. So before going forward, if at all you're still not registered in Upstock, it's a very good trading platform. They are providing free demat and trading account. It is applicable till July 31st. Also, they are providing zero brokerage for 30 days. Also, two courses worth of 2000 rupees, almost 2000 rupees. So don't miss this golden opportunity. Okay. Now coming to the topic, main topic which I want to discuss to you in today's video. Why options? Why is that I am forcing you all to do options? You would have seen that almost from quite some long time, I am only into options, and I'm also encouraging many of them to start doing options. It is very easy if at all you know the basics. If at all somebody is there to guide you, it's very easy, friends. And today I'm doing my level best to make sure, or I can say that I'm promoting options today. You can take it in that way, that I'm promoting options. And what's the gain I'm getting? Friends, I'll be happy if you are profitable. That is the only gain which I'm getting. Okay, so let us go forward. First and the foremost thing is you're going to avoid high turnover charges and taxes. Now, what do I mean by this? So, say for example, in yesterday's strategy, we had to buy at the high price and we had to sell at the low price. First of all, people those who have not still watched the strategy, I just want to just give you a hint about the strategy. If at all you're not seen, the logic is we are going to buy and sell at the 1 hour resistance and support. That is nothing but you're going to buy at the high of 1 hour candle and you're going to sell at the low of the 1 hour candle. This was a strategy which you are following. It is very simple. You can just go through that video. I have provided also the Excel file is available in the Telegram group, so you can download and check yourself. I have done from July. It was all almost you can say I have traded also all those days, although I have taken data from the Excel sheet, sorry, from the graph charts. Okay, so what happens is you have to buy. So you're buying at around 3000, let us say for example 3000, and you're selling it around 3100. This is going to be your trade, and the quantity, this is the price. Okay, and the quantity generally what happens is if at all you're trading for one lot, it will be 250 shares. So the total turnover you can see here, the total turnover is 250 into this 3000. Again, same thing, 250 into 3100. So the overall turnover is going to be 15 lakh 25,000 rupees. You might not even seen this kind of money in your trading account, but remember friends, you are going to trade for such big amount when you're doing for 250 quantity of Bajaj Finance. So nothing but if you're trading one lot of Bajaj Finance, you're doing a turnover of 15 lakh 25,000. So when you calculate the brokerage charges and all those things, it is brokerage charge is going to be fixed. That is, if you're using a discount broker, it is going to be 20 rupees only. But the other charges, whichever are there, the STT or the SEBI charges or the turnover taxes or the stamp duty, are all based on this 15 lakh 25,000. So it is going to be very, very huge. Now let us come to options. When you're coming to options, what happens is the same thing. I'll just copy. But here in options, the price is hardly going to be 50 rupees and you're going to sell it at 54 rupees. So now you can see the turnover is only 12,500, and here you can see overall it has become 26,250 is the turnover. So you can see that from 15 lakh the turnover has come down to 26,250. You're going to save huge cost on the turnover. You still don't believe? I'll show you the brokerage calculator as well. Okay, so let us open brokerage of Zerodha itself, though they charge only 20 rupees. Okay, so here there is F&O futures. You are going to buy at 3,000 and you're going to sell at 3,100, and the quantity is going to be 250. So you can see here brokerage 40 rupees, STT is 78, the exchange transaction charge is 28, GST is 12 rupees, total tax and charges is 175, and then the net P&L is 24,824. This is for just one lot. Now we are going to do F&O futures. So it is going to be 50 rupees buy and it is going to be 50 rupees sell, and you can quantity is going to be 250, the same quantity. Now see the difference. Okay, let us 55. Okay, now see the difference, friend. This is for just one lot. Okay, so you can see the STT total here is 78, is just 10%, 7 rupees here. The exchange transaction charge is 28 rupees here, just 13 rupees here. GST is 12 rupees, again 9 here. Total tax and charges as 174 rupees here, it is just 70 rupees here. But the main part is the contract note. Contract note, again it will be based on turnover. And last but not the least, in case if you are filing your income tax as well, the income tax department will look into your turnover. You can see a turnover here is 15 lakh 25,000 rupees. So one day if your turnover is 15 lakh 25,000 rupees, just imagine you are going to trade 20 days in a month. So this into 20, it is almost giving you I'm only getting confused with this number. It's 3 crores. Okay, and then you'll be trading the entire year, so it's going to be 12 months. I don't even have to say this number to you, or did I do something wrong here? It's 3 crore 5 lakh. Yes, it's correct. Okay, so you can see the figure, the turnover is huge. So when the income tax department looks into your turnover, usually that is when all these audits happen or all this checking happen, all those things happen. And when you're paying income tax, again there are two things: either you can pay whatever profit you're there, on that profit you can pay your taxes, and if at all you want to book your losses, you need to do your audit. Or otherwise there's one more option which they have given is, on your turnover you can pay some percentage and then also you can close. So lesser the turnover the more better it is for you. So this is one among the major concept of going to options. Okay, next most important thing is to make money in sideways market. So you know that say for example in the same Excel sheet, I'll just open to you. You are buying at 3,000 rupees. Okay, I'll just make the Excel a little more bigger, and you're selling as well at 3,000 rupees. Okay, so let's say for example so the Bajaj Finance did not move anywhere. So in this case what happens is that your profit is zero as per actuals here, am I right? You just have to pay the transaction charges, the GST and STT and all those things. But when it comes to option, if the stock is not moving anyways, if it is in the same place And then if you are selling options, if you are selling options, then if the premium you sold at 50 rupees, then end of the day, if the future or the equity is same at 3000, this will come down to 49 or it will come down to 48. Okay, so it means that the premium decay is going to happen. Options has got this benefit of theta decay. Yes, I was supposed to make a video on that and explain to you the basics. I will try doing it very soon. Might be next is what I'll be scheduling it. So the one more advantage which many people are missing out here is that you can sell options and make money if the market goes as per your direction, or otherwise if the market moves sideways also you can make little bit of money. Ideally, I meant to say that you have two methods. The probability of making profit is increasing 2 times. Yes, so that is one more biggest advantages of trading option. Third, but not the least, okay, there's one more thing. Third benefit is hedging. So I'll explain to you today one among the important methods of doing hedging. So when you're doing hedging, what happens is your money is safe. You don't have to look into the screen always, and it will be very useful in case if you're doing positional trading, because in positional trading you can't keep stop losses when you're trading future or when you're trading equity, but when you're trading options you can keep your stop losses by doing the hedging. So that also I will explain in today's video. And last but not the least is to avoid the volatility. Say for example, Bajaj Finance is very volatile, so it start moving very highly to 3,100, 3,200, then again coming down to 2,000, sorry 3,000 and 2,900. It keeps moving up and down, up and down, up and down kind of thing. But when it comes to option, we have something called as again Vega. Okay, so you don't have to go into that. Basically, it means that if you take far OTMs, far out of the money, then the volatility increases, the delta decreases, and also the vega also decreases. Thereby, in case even though the stock moves very volatile, it won't have much impact on the premium. Okay friends, so I hope I'm not confusing you. I just want to keep it very simple. You just have to understand that in options, by taking far out of the money options, you can make sure that your premium is not very volatile. Even though the so the Bajaj Finance is moving up and down very volatile, or it is moving giving huge swings kind of thing, your options will not move much. Okay, so now quickly let us go through a few example just to understand how we can do trade in options. So first and foremost is first let us see the graph. So this is going to be today's graph. Okay, today's graph, you can see the 1 hour graph, and the close price is coming here. 1 hour close price is 3,195 and the low price is 3,000, sorry, the low price is 3,175. So what you have to do basically is you take, if at all, there are three methods what you can do. You can do naked trading in options. So if you want to buy options, in this case we are you can see that the low has been triggered. So what you have to do is immediately we can do, what we can do is buy put options. And when you're buying put options, make sure you're buying ITM in the money. Reason because the premium decay won't be there, the theta decay won't be there. Okay, so this is one method of doing in options, that is you can do the ITM buying, that is buying of ITM options. So in this case you can see the low price is 3,175, so you can buy at around, let's say 3,100, or sorry, 3,100 is fine, or 3,150 also is fine. So whatever above 3,175, that is in the money. When it comes to put option, it's in the money. So those kind of things you can take for naked trading. Second thing what you can do is writing of options. So this is what I was telling, you can get even premium decay as well. So here what you can do is you can sell, this was by put options, not out options. Hope I'm not confusing. Okay, so here what you can do is sell call option, and here it has to be OTM. Okay, So don't get confused. If at all you're doing buy, you should buy put option. Reason because here we are going down. In this particular case, you can see that the low has been broken and then the stop loss has been hit. So initially the ideal situation was the low has to be broken. So that is means if it was equity of future, we would have sold here. So that is why what we're doing is for buying, we are buying the put options. In case if you're selling, you'll be selling the call option and make sure you take OTM. So in this case, it would be, since the low price is 3175, you can take anything like 3180 or 3200 ideally is very good. Okay. Third but not the least, you can do hedging. And hedging is done by taking the vertical spread. Okay. So what do you mean by this vertical spread? So there are two types of vertical spreads what you can do. One is like credit and one is debit. So in this case, if at all you want credit, what you can do is sell call option and then immediately hedge it by buying call option. Okay, so the strike price will be different, it will not be the same. So you can take one or two far away strike prices. So what we do is in vertical spreads, whenever we're doing, when you want credit spread, we sell the call option and then the OTM call options we are buying. Okay, again buy OTM call option. So by doing this, you'll be getting credit spread, and again this is going to be completely safe, this is going to be hedged. So these are the three methods which you can follow in case if you want to do trading by doing the options. Although this third part which I have shown you, hedging, it won't be beneficial on intraday. Reason because in intraday there will be hardly any premium decay, and if at all you do this vertical spreads in stocks, you will not get any premium. But you can go ahead with naked trading either by buying options or otherwise by selling options, but make sure you keep the stop loss as well, because you know the candle high and the candle low are the auto stop losses. Okay, so if at all you want to do intraday, continue intraday, you can follow these two methods, that is naked trading either by buying the put options or otherwise selling the call options. So these are the two available easy methods for doing the options, and by doing this you will get all the benefits which I have shown you, which I have discussed here. So your turnover charges will decrease, you will make money even if the market moves sideways. You have an option for hedging, and also you have an option to reduce the volatility as well. Apart from this, there are many more advantages of using options, but my main aim is to make sure that you at least start now at least trading options and understand the beauty, the importance of trading options. And that is what I had in store for you in today's video. Any other doubts, any other confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525, and also don't forget to join my Telegram channel. It's a very good platform for earning as well as learning, and there'll be lots of study materials also available in that. You can study a lot, because I felt that regular communication is required when it comes to trading, to give you regular market updates and all those things. That is why this channel is started. You can the link of that channel is provided in the description of this video as well. Okay friends, so once again all the best, hoping to see you all start at least trying options by now, and always feel free to ask any doubts to me. So thank you and have a nice day.